Dirt and debris can build up in the outlet valves of your sprayer. This video will cover the correct way to clean the outlet valves on your airless handheld sprayer. It is recommended to clean the outlet plugs only if the sprayer is experiencing reduced performance. It's not necessary to clean them more frequently. To clean the 3 outlet valves, follow these instructions. First, perform the pressure relief procedure by disconnecting the power supply and turning the prime spray knob down to the prime pump position. Remove the tip guard assembly. Remove the cup assembly. Next, remove the 2 pump plugs and the front valve with a 5/16 inch or 8 mm Allen wrench. Clean the outlet valve assemblies with warm water or appropriate flushing fluid. Make certain the O-rings are in place on the valve plugs and front valve. The check balls should move freely against the spring in the retainer. If the outlet valve assembly was removed from the valve plug, reassemble as shown, making sure to leave space between the end of the plug or front valve and shoulder on the outlet valve assembly. Do not push the outlet valves all the way into the valve plugs or front valve. If pushed all the way in, the sprayer will not perform correctly. Install the 2 pump plugs and front valve. Torque to the specific number listed in the manual. Be careful not to over-tighten. Attach the tip guard assembly. Attach the cup assembly. If you are still experiencing problems with your sprayer, consult your local Graco service center.